Hey, what's up, YouTube and Ewing Squad? I'm here with a new pick of it. If y'all not following Ewing Squad, y'all probably don't know, but I kind of hinted of what I'm picking up. I took advantage of the Ewing, the Columbus Day Ewing 33% off. I had to. This is a model that I don't usually cop, but I do like a lot. It's probably my second favorite out of all the Ewings. I just love the silhouette. There is one other pair that I really want from it. No, two other pairs. And they restocked it right after. And I'm like, But we'll see. I'll probably get those in later on. But here's the box. Did come late last night, almost 8 o'clock at night. Like, literally by like, you know, they give it to, if it's USPS, they usually deliver it, you know, by 8 o'clock. He came here at that time, though. But it was nasty last night. It was pouring everywhere last night. Like, it was crazy. Because I think the Tropical Storm Michael passed by, or whatever, like south from us. So, you know. But anyways, yep, came with that box too. I wonder if this one brings everything that it's supposed to. It's not your typical box, like I said. Y'all usually see me getting, y'all probably see what it is. Oops. See me getting 33 highs because that's my favorite. To me, it's better than the Air Jordan 1. That's my opinion. Excuse me. Oh, and you know, excuse the nappiness, you know. It's your boy with the nappy do. Looking like from, you know, the Roots. Haven't seen these in person, but I've been eyeing this. Alberto, aka Throwback King, you probably know. Me and you had a little bit of a conversation on Instagram about it. And he's like, yo, that's all you, bro. And I'm like, it is. And I was going to get him. I was so happy that they still had my size. And here they are. Patry 1992. Love this box. It's actually one of my favorite boxes of Ewing. Now, see, Ewing, I want to say something, and I just saw a sneaker. This box right here is perfect for size 13s and 14s. I think y'all need to keep this size on all the size 13s and 14s. Y'all need to up the sizes because, yo, we be struggling trying to take out the shoes. I love this about this too, the paper. Now, what I'm wondering, oh God, these are beautiful. Oh man, here they are. I'm about to take them off, yeah. Did this bring a medallion too? No, it did not. And I'll show you in a sec why I'm saying that. Yeah, I didn't bring a medallion. But let me take the other one out too. Oh man. These are beautiful. And you know what? I'm kind of happy. I thought they were going to be suede, and they're not, which I'm kind of happy because this means I could wear them all winter. Oh man, this would have been like perfect for like when the Deadpool movie came out. These are beautiful. Well, the quality is pretty good. Try to look real quick. We'll do a quick review. And if y'all want an in-depth review, let me know in the comments below and I'll do an in-depth review. Now, you know what? I'm going to have to. I'm going to do an in-depth review and a comparison. But here's these bad boys right here. As y'all can see. It's very light. It is compared to the Ewing, the 33 high. Very light. And to what I've noticed, the last ones were kind of snug. They were like, maybe like you going out for a quick movie and dinner and that's it. But to hang out, it's not like, I bought a size 13. It was pretty snug. But Throwback King Alberto, he told me, he warned me, and I already ordered the shoe when he did, and I was a little too late. But they still fit good. Like, it's not like something where I'm dying. No, it's just that it's kind of snug. So, you know, and I like mine's a little loose. So I went up a size. I wish they did 13.5, but they didn't. But this doesn't look that big, so it's gonna be good. The quality is good, man. It's not like the best, but like I said, it's good quality. Way better than Jordan Brand in 2013, you know. But anyway, here's the pickup. We'll be doing a review and comparison on these, and yeah, there is more pickups coming too. I do have a Funko pickup coming for those who like the Funko stuff. I don't have not many of y'all do, but yeah, so pull it out because that's what I love. But anyways, it's your favorite, and I'm not cutting this out. It's your favorite boy, your favorite nappy boy, Henry Mr. 83, with a new pickup. Thank you again for all the support. Comment, like, subscribe. And if you haven't for real, subscribe. I got more coming. Especially if you're part of the Ewing Squad, man. Welcome. And let's try to push this channel. I know I'm at 250. I will be doing the giveaway vid soon. I just got to figure out how is it going to do that. I'm going to do a gift card, like a $25 gift card, like I explained it months ago. You go check that video out. Or I'm going to do like a nice Funko. Giveaway. You know, there's a lot of nice ones out there that are a little bit more than value. I'm going to like a nice, you know, maybe a 10-inch pop or a 6-inch pop, or seeing the new pops. But you'll see what I'm talking about if you go afterwards and check this video. But anyways, I'm blabbing here. I want to get to do the review next. So this is Henry Mr. 83 again. Comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button for you to be notified, because the way YouTube is working, if you don't hit that notification button, you're not going to get notified when the videos are up. Oh yeah, and check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snap. Same as here, Henry Mr. 83. God bless. Later. Peace.